Curious about the essential tweaks to make your Windows 11 experience smoother after a reset? You are in the right place. Here is how to optimize your system effortlessly. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Resetting Windows 11 gives you a fresh start, but it also means reconfiguring some settings to make the most of your device. Let's get started. 1. Disable Enhanced Pointer Precision for better mouse control. Mouse acceleration, known as enhanced pointer precision, can make your pointer move inconsistently relative to your hand's movement. Disabling it ensures better accuracy, especially for gaming or precise tasks. Open the Settings app and navigate to Bluetooth and devices, then Mouse. Click Additional Mouse Settings to open the Mouse Properties dialog. Go to the Pointer Options tab and uncheck the box for Enhanced Pointer Precision. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. If the mouse feels sluggish after disabling this, increase the pointer speed in the same menu to find your preferred setting. 2. Silence notification sounds for a quieter workspace. Frequent notification sounds can become overwhelming during work or study. Muting them allows you to stay focused without the constant audio interruptions. Here is how you can do so. Open Settings and go to System, then Notifications. Click the down arrow next to the Notifications toggle to expand its options. Uncheck the box for Allow Notifications to Play Sounds. You can also disable notifications on your lock screen for added privacy in public spaces. Windows 11 Start menu includes web search results by default, which can be distracting and add unnecessary overhead when you are only looking for files or apps on your device. Disabling Bing in the Start menu requires a registry edit. To disable Bing using the registry editor on Windows, follow these steps. Click the Start button, type regedit into the search bar and press Enter or select Open. In the registry editor, go to computer/hkey_current_user/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows. Right-click on the Windows key, hover over New, then select Key. Name the new Key Explorer. Right-click on the newly created Explorer key, hover over New, then select dword value. Name this new dword Disable Search Box Suggestions. Double-click on the dword Disable Search Box Suggestions. Set its value to 1 and click OK. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. Right-click and select Restart. Once done, your Start menu will now only show local results, giving you a cleaner and more efficient search experience. 4. Turn off animation effects to improve responsiveness. Animations in Windows 11, while visually appealing to some, can feel intrusive and use unnecessary system resources. Turning them off can create a snappier user experience. Open Settings and navigate to Accessibility, then Visual Effects. Toggle off the switch for animation effects. The simple change can slightly improve your system's responsiveness, especially on devices with less powerful hardware. DNS settings for faster and more secure browsing. By default, Windows uses your ISP's DNS servers to resolve website requests, but you can customize the DNS setting to enhance speed and privacy. Open Setting and go to Network and Internet. Then expand the Wi-Fi or Ethernet section depending on your connection. Or click on Properties on your active network connection. Scroll down to the DNS server assignment section and click Edit. Switch to Manual. Then turn the toggle on for IPv4 or IPv6. Now input the preferred DNS server address. For example, for Google Public DNS, under Preferred DNS, add 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS, add 8.8.4.4. You can use Cloudflare's DNS and set the value to this 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Click Save to apply changes. Restart your browser. Save the changes and enjoy faster, more secure internet browsing. And that's all for now. These are the essential settings to configure after resetting Windows 11. We hope you found the tips helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and troubleshooting tips. Have any suggestions? Drop a comment below and help others in the community. Thank you for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next video.